Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to copy and paste an image from one Canva design to another. Whether you're just starting out or you're a pro designer, this trick will save you tons of time and make your workflow so much smoother. First, open the Canva design that has the image you want to copy. At the top, you'll see a grid icon. Click it to switch to grid view. This is super helpful for multi-page designs because it shows all your pages at once, making it easier to select exactly what you need. Next, hold down the Shift key and click on the pages that contain your images or elements. This lets you select multiple pages at once, so you don't have to jump back and forth between pages. Once your pages are selected, it's time to copy. Press Ctrl plus C on Windows or Command plus C on Mac. Now your images or elements are ready to be pasted. Go to the Canva design where you want to paste your content. Click in the spot where you want the image to appear, then press Ctrl plus V on Windows or Command plus V on Mac. Your copied elements will appear instantly and you can resize, reposition, or edit them just like any other Canva element. Mastering this simple copy-paste trick can save you hours, help maintain consistent designs across projects, and make managing multiple Canva files way easier. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly move images between designs and streamline your creative process. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Happy designing!